Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mecca. I make lock and lifestyle content. And today I am just wanting to update you guys on where I'm at 3 years and 3 months on my microloc journey. So I'm just going to give you guys some close-ups, talk a little bit about my routine, and just show you guys what's been happening since my last little check-in. And just a little run through. I locked up March 1st of 2020. I have around 330 locks at this point, and I use a 3-point rotation. So let's get into it.
Okay, you guys, so just wanted to kick off a bit of the close-up here. So as you can see, I am definitely still retaining a good deal of length. I've noticed this particularly in the back. So my bottommost layer is getting pretty long. As you continue to watch, you'll kind of see I have pieces in the center that are kind of hitting like my back. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, just gonna pull some strands here, let you guys see. I still have like an odd amount of, I guess, stretch to my locks, and I guess I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't sure if there would still be shrinkage at this point in the game, but there definitely like is, so that's been interesting. And I also wanted to show you guys some of my parts in the front, just to show y'all that like my locks aren't perfect. Again, I don't have a perfect grid, but it really does not matter. Like you really can't tell. So that's pretty cool. And here's just a little shot of the center. So as y'all know, I cut bangs and I do be locksmithing them sometimes. So that one long piece is because I added another lock to it to extend it, but I'm probably gonna take that back off and just let them grow out because it looks a little weird. And as I'm kind of showing y'all that, if you take a look, you can really see where my hair is in terms of the color. So a lot of that like black reddish whatever situation has faded, and I'm back to like a cinnamon. And I'm going to leave the dyes alone because I have experienced some thinning in the back now, and that's really scary because that's the strongest part of my hair. So this last retie I was going through, and I definitely noticed some pieces were thinning back there. So no more dye, no more bleach. I'm gonna have fun with some hair paint waxes and leave the chemicals alone. And probably incorporate a few more steam treatments. But yeah, my edges, they are doing a bit better. I ended up combining a lot of locks around my perimeter and starting new ones, just because when I'm stressed, which I am right now, I tend to experience a lot of breakage in the front. So I ended up combining some things and joining some locks just to make those a little bit more strong until I can really address the issue. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Keeping about a weekly wash. Like I said, I condition here and there, still do a 3-point rotation, and am about at 6 weeks or so for my reties.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you have any comments, please leave them below, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.